Just a brief loss of concentration was enough for the biker to face a very dangerous situation. Riding together as part of a group has its own rules, and as we can see in this case, one mistake can cause a dangerous accident.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Fortunately, this moment of inattention results in minor scratches on the bikes.
Been here the whole time, dude.
For a long time it's really hard to comprehend this behavior. Eventually the result was unexpected even for the biker himself.
You don't like me passing you so you speed up? What up? What up? We got an issue? We got an issue? Huh? We got an issue? Oh, look at that, man.
Here we have a few clips showing how important the principle of being cautious is. Target fixation and braking in panic when taking the turn lead to a complete loss of control over the bike.
Dur bekle sakin ol ya, bir dinlen. Zaten düştü sakin ol.
this case we will observe the cause and final effect of an accident in which the biker slid over 120 feet. The rider walks away without a scratch, all thanks to the appropriate gear.
Are you sure you're good?
Yeah. He's moving around all right. You know what day of the week it is? Oh yeah. All right. Shake the coffee through here.
I think I damn probably put me up. Hell, on my bad knee. Yeah.
Jeez, dude. Son of a gun. Let's turn the bike off. You want to try to help me pick this up? He's fine right now. They're going to help him out. So I figured I'd take this out of the ditch. I wonder if it'll start. Holy frickin' Jesus, heavy. Now I'm not gonna have nowhere to put my foot down, so hold my balance. It's not going nowhere. I'm gonna just gun the heck out of it and see if it will grip.
No.
Oh, nice. Whew. Oh.
Stop sign. Come on. What the you doing? Well.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.